Oh man, there it is down there. They just pulled a boat out of here, so, oh yeah. She's a little ripe. 99,000 on the clock. Frame doesn't look terrible from what I can see. Yeah, this is gonna take some cleaning. Hey, look at the bright side. We're not chiseling this out of the frozen earth in 6-degree weather. The last one I think I took you on, right? Oh! Oh, there it is. She's a roller. Yeah. I'm so happy right now. It's a roller. Was there even a car? There it is. Z24. There it is, guys. We made it home. I know we didn't even look in here. I'll put it in the backyard with the rest of the stuff. Jen will love it. Yeah. Today's goal is to get this thing cleaned out, see what all's inside, get the topper off, and maybe Bed Bath & Beyond, if we have time. I don't know, if we have time. Benny's can never have enough unsealed brake fluid. Neighbor's not gonna like that. Should probably save this in case Jen throws me out. There's something sweet when you're in your 2-wheel drive truck in winter. You're gonna need that. Just in time for Thanksgiving, the Nutcracker. Throw this disgustingness out. Oh man, Jen's gonna be so happy when she gets home. Great. I don't know how you got a flat tire, honey. I have no idea. There's just nails all in the driveway. No idea. Brilliant. Well, we're getting there, guys. I got all the nails picked up. Are we having any fun yet? Get out of here. Yeah, let's go. No top. I'm not a top guy. And it's pretty nasty. Now, you guys on this channel are very, very familiar with the kinds of things that I bring home. I have to tell you, I would much rather be dealing with 10 pine cone beetles than this. Covered in like mouse, rat, rust, crust. So good news, it has oil in it. That's a good start. This has what, the 28 spark plugs. I'm gonna blow this thing off. Oh, it's got coolant. That's good. Well, would you get a look at that mouse intake induction? I can't wait to see what that throttle body looks like. This is gonna be absolutely the worst you've ever seen. Oh, yeah, I called it. The good news is they didn't get down the blowhole. Oh, they wanted in. They chewed through that to get there. Nope. Shark cage, not having it. STD. Taking what they're giving because I'm pushing forward living. Guys, welcome back. It's time to start the Nissan 720. Finally. I did get a new battery from Napa today. Got the new air filter. I got all the mousage cleaned out. I disconnected the fuel lines. There was fuel in there. I turned on the key to accessory. Fuel, you know, pumped out all over the rag I put there to check to see if we had fuel. The pump is working. What else? Pulled the spark plugs. A little funky towards the back. Again, I did put some Marvel down the cylinders. I don't know how long this truck's been sitting. I got 5 fresh gallons of fuel. We got some heat. Gonna go ahead and dump in 5 fresh gallons. Get the plugs, the new plugs back in. and we're just gonna give her. This starter, I think, was stuck. I towed it in 5th gear. Josh towed it with the Kubota. All right, I'm gonna get the plugs in it. Guys, I'm gonna give this about a negative 20% possibility. This truck is not going to run. Wow. I didn't think it was gonna run. No. Wow. I honestly didn't think it was gonna run. I put some marble in cylinder number 1. It didn't shoot any out. I can't, I'm shocked. I'm shocked it's actually running. First starting, I don't know, the sticker's 09. Wow. Oh, it's blowing mousage out the pipe. It's quiet. It's not making any terrible noises. Out a little bit. Again, I had that marble in there, so I did put the old spark plugs back in. I didn't want to contaminate the new ones. But hey man, I'm stoked. It runs. I was worried we were going to hear some, you know, bad engine knocking. Definitely needs a tune, but it runs. There's nothing catastrophically wrong. That's awesome. Here's our next issue, our hydraulic clutch. Maybe the hose is swollen. We'll try to bleed it. Let's just try to bleed that now. I was thinking the reservoir was full, it just looked full, it was empty. Parts are cheap if we can't get it to come around. Oh, it looks like I'm not going to need a clutch cylinder. I'll get the new hose down on the actuator. I'll get that part too. It runs, the fan's working. Sounds decent. So I'll go ahead and order those parts and try and get the right air cleaner. I got too tall of an air cleaner apparently. Well, there it is, guys. 2 days. Thing's been kicking my butt. But I figured out the problem. Pressure plate was stuck. Went ahead and did the clutch master cylinder, slave cylinder. Jen and Josh pumped it, and I bled it and bled it. And it just wouldn't, it felt like we had clutch, but it was obviously stuck in gear. So I put it in reverse, I turned the key, kaboom, she's free, she's a runner. I've been cleaning it. Gonna get it out for a wash. You can see I just spent a little time on that rim. The rims are coming back slowly but surely. The 720 is going back on the streets. Interior is getting there. As you remember, this thing was like just nasty, nasty mold. Couple spots in the bed, not terrible. For $400, removable sunroof, pop-out windows, rear slider, alloys. All right, let's go for a cruise. You can almost sit in this now. Window, have to work on those window regulators. You gotta love a removable sunroof. Not sure how long. I'm not sure how long this one's been sitting. I almost hit that wall. I think I'd know how to drive this driveway by now. Car. So it rides a little rough only because those tires were flat. So we've got some flat spots on the tires, but front end feels pretty good. What do we got here? A little dart action. Tach works, gas gauge works, temperature gauge. I do have a battery light on. Maybe some front shocks. Oh yeah. Handles those turns like a 911. Has a little off-idle stumble, but the Z24 motor engine, it's just a great engine. It really is. So part of me wants to keep this two-wheel drive, better gas mileage, 4-cylinder than the other rusty Nissan. I mean, how many rusty Nissans can you have? 69 Mach 1. Back at my drag strip. It's got good power. So the front end feels pretty good other than those old tires. Will it do a donut? No, we're not going to find out. See that little stumble. Horn works. Well, there it is, guys. Pretty stoked. So that's for you, Mr. Snowman. It's back on the streets.
Oh, hogwash! You never finish anything!
What an incredible Cinderella story. This unknown comes out of nowhere to lead the pack at Augusta. He's on his final hold. He's 4 or 5 VWs away. I think he's gonna hit a 2-iron here. Oh, he got all that.
That's right, Bill. I would have loved to meet you in Texas down there for the championship. That would have been awesome. Huge shout out to Bill Murray and the Yukon Huskies, 5-time national champions now. You guys have a great weekend. We'll see you soon. Take care, guys. You know, I decided to sell it on the way over here. I said, I just gotta sell it. And yeah, so apparently it wants to make my life difficult. Gotta love it. Don't worry, I can fix that.